Why does your scanner show the P0B42 engine code? What does it mean? P0B42 is a diagnostic trouble code for hybrid electric vehicle battery 2 circuit low voltage. The P0B42 engine code for indicate the vehicle's control module detected an abnormally low voltage reading from a specific section, block, of your high-voltage hybrid battery pack falling below the manufacturer's safe threshold. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged wiring or connectors, failing hybrid battery cells, malfunctioning battery smart unit, poor cell balancing, faulty battery current sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Audi, Volkswagen, Chevrolet, Toyota, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.